my knees. Pretty please. Sinking down into a dark place. Her eyes light up like a ball of flame. I got it on replay. I'll keep living in a ghost town. Ain't never gonna come down. I'll just hold on to the light. Hold on to the light. I ain't too proud to plead. Come back to me. You're the air I breathe. I ain't too proud to plead. Come back to me. I'm on my knees. Pretty please. I'd do anything, anything at all. It's all my fault. I'm just human, I've got flaws. I'd do anything, anything at all. I'd beg and crawl to come crashing down your hall. I ain't too proud to plead. Come back to me. You're the air I breathe. I ain't too proud to plead. Come back to me. I'm on my knees. Pretty please. stay in the sand. 1, 2, 3, 4. I drink till I hit the floor, smoke weed till I can't think no more. I have become numb. I sleep till I see the moon, gonna see what up to my grandma soon. I have become numb. Escape, looking over the edge. This voice in my head is my only real friend. Hey, you're Superman, you won't break your bend. One whisper away from a beautiful end. Drink till I hit the floor, smoke weed till I can't think no more. I have become numb. I sleep till I see the moon, gonna see what up to my grandma soon. I have become numb. Drink till I hit the floor, smoke weed till I can't think no more. I have become numb. I sleep till I see the moon, gonna see what up to my grandma soon. I have become numb.
I like the doors and drive out in the rouge, taking off her shirt and off her shoes. I can't even think you got me fucked up, shawty. She said life is better when you gone off Molly. I ain't know what the fuck to do, and my heart's out in Cali with the bow. But if it's about the action, then I cannot tease her. Shawty from Dubai ain't even got no visa. But if it's about a vibe, it's a vibe. Shawty almost died, she's so high. She can only laugh when she father, yeah. She can only love when she father, yeah. She just popped a vibe, it's a vibe. She just living life for the hype. She can only laugh when she father, yeah. She can only love when she father, yeah. So the next days pass, weeks pass, then I'm thinking about it, she in rehab. Deep thoughts, body in withdrawals, then she relapsed. When she told me I was like, oh well. She said you ain't never cared about me, Kofi go to hell. I'm upset, I'm ashamed, was embarrassed, now I'm stressed. She come over, we make up, kiss her and you know the rest. Now she on me, on one, popped another long one. She know I don't play that, but if it's by the vibe, it's a vibe. Shorty almost died, she so high. She can only laugh when she father, yeah. She can only laugh when she father, yeah. She just popped the vibe, it's a vibe. She just living life for the hype. She can only laugh when she father, yeah. She can only love when she father, yeah.